All right, so here we go. The kitchen. Still not done yet, but it's getting there. Got the stove here delivered, quote unquote installed. They didn't do anything. All they did was hook up the gas line. I could have did that. Paid $70 for that. I didn't. That was the wife's choice. She underestimated my abilities. I do need to put a bracket on that stove still. It goes back here in the corner. It connects to one of the legs, the foots that balance the stove. So you got to put that so it doesn't tip forward, just in case somebody decides to lean on the front of it and tip it over. So I doubt it'll happen, but just in case, safety precaution. Tiles are all in, as you can see. Walls are painted. Cabinets are installed. That was another thing that I will not comment on, but they're installed. We had somebody install them. They look great. There was a couple of errors here. They did not give us a panel for this side. You see it's like wood. There's actually a little gap right here. And that's because there's supposed to be a panel like this one has. So this is attached. I think it's supposed to be glued. It is not glued. It is just stapled, nailed, whatever. You can see that little staple there. And it's missing one here because this is visible. That is going to be covered by the fridge. That is going to be covered by the fridge. You can see that one is good. But actually it's not because it's loose. This one is correct. Blue, blue. You're going to see that. You're going to see that. And you're going to see that. So that's wrong. Next, I got to put this farm sink in before they come tomorrow to put the countertop. I did not know that, and now I am stuck with my back against the wall because I just found out I got to do this. I have no idea, but of course, I went to trusty YouTube University. I'm going to have to put a brace in here, so 2x4s around. I'm not going to put the 2x4 across the back because it's going to get in the way of the plumbing. So on the sides, and then I'm going to put some 2x4s going this way to keep the sink from going farther in. You know, you're going to lean a lot against that sink. It's going to be pushing. So you need something to kind of brace it from going back. And you need something to support it. So I'm going to build a frame and go from there. Well, YouTube Mafia, are you ready? Woo! Look at that. D-O-N-E, done, baby. Well, almost done. Got the countertops and the backsplash in. I gotta put the outlet covers. Sink is in. I mean, come on. Stove, countertops on this side. I do need to get a hood and make a hole for the exhaust for the stove, so I got to figure that out, but do that later. And got to put the thingamajiggy in here, the fountain spout, whatever it's called. And then this is for the dishwasher. That's like the vent. So, yeah. I do got to figure out if I can get the dishwasher in here. It's going to be a tight squeeze, but I think I can get it in. Cool thing is that they did install this panel, which was missing, so it looks a lot better now. It looks finished. They put one on this side too, and they also put one right there. So we are all, oh wait, was there one missing over here too? I think this one was missing. So that one's in, this one is in. Those were in already, I believe. So everything looks amazing. Love this countertop. I think it's marble. I forgot which one it was, what it's called, the design, but I mean, look at these doors right here. They go soft close, boom. Same thing with the drawers. Also soft close, boom. So looks great. Got to, you know, clean it up. It's got all the dust and stuff on here. Might have to adjust the doors a little bit. This one looks like it might be a little bit off, but I don't know if you can see that right there. Easy fix. But yeah, no, it looks amazing. Floor looks great. Oh, I gotta put in the stuff that goes about around the bottom, the trim. I forgot what that's called. That stuff, you know what it is. And like I said, the faucet, the drain for the dishwasher. I gotta put the dishwasher in, of course. Oh, I gotta put this, the little drain thing that goes here along with the plumbing. I'm gonna have to make some adjustments for that. But yeah, looks like they got the doors in there to fit too, because they had to raise it up 5/8 of an inch. It was too low, which is actually works out great. So yeah, I think it's pretty much done, everybody. Pretty much done. I'll probably make one more video once I put the faucet and the drain in, just so you can kind of see the final finished product. Yo. What is up, YouTube fam? Project is done. Hope you liked it. Let me know what you liked about this project the most. What was your favorite part? Was it the farm sink? Was it the countertops, the marble countertops, the new stove, the colors, the tiles? Let me know what you liked. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, or just enjoyed it, give it a like. Subscribe for more content, DIY stuff that you can do at your house. This was part me, part hired contractors. So a little bit of half and half. Tried to save myself some money by doing a lot of the work myself, but the finish work, countertops, cabinets, and the tile especially, I had to hire somebody. So the rest I did myself. Like I said, hope you enjoyed. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.